Get it on.
What's up? Hey, no, we gotta shake hands.
Shut up.
We gotta shake hands.
Buddy.
We're
going. Oh, I popped his neck.
Oh.
Stop trying to trip us, cameraman.
I'm gonna try to trip.
Man, come on.
This is not even a fight. This is just.
Yours and Sean's would have been worse.
Just tap out. You tapped out.
That wasn't tap.
You just do it like this.
It's not that. He's punching me.
Squeeze, Donovan. You can get him right here. Oh my God. Just put him in the headlock right there. That's perfect.
Come on, when I got an armbar.
Get him in an armbar.
Give me your hand, you homie. Come on, Emo Fairy.
He's got him. Twist this. Grab his arm.
Oh, this guy's fat. Oh.
Jump on him. Body slam him. He's got it. Squeeze. Squeeze.
No. Not letting go.
Yeah.
Squeeze. That doesn't even look right.
It's tired.
Come on, squeeze. Oh, with a back shot. Oh, with a shove by Yellow Man. Who are you, Diamond Black Man?
He's black and red, man.
Oh man, we tripped there. Squeeze, man, just rip his neck off. Is this the end? Oh, with a big body hit, boy. Elbow.
Oh, I could just have me in the headlock. I'd love that one happened.
Squeeze, dude, just get him out. Oh, with a big hit. Get him. Get some.
Oh my God.
Dude, just take him out right now. He's tired. Oh, he's going for an arm bar. Oh, he gets it up. You gotta get your leg around it. Get your leg off.
No.
Yellow Man's coming back.
He's holding on to my sleeves like a little girl.
Keep squeezing, Jake. Jake, squeeze. Squeeze. I think he's got him. You got him. Squeeze.
He got my arm. Big guy on me. Big guy.
He almost had me. I'm gonna wait for a shot. Ah, sorry.
Oh.
Let me try that.
Dude, this is like the most boring. This is really boring. Yeah, it is for these people attending. Tap Jake. Jake, just tap it.
I can still breathe.
Yeah, sounding like a little girl doesn't count. You just tap.
I can breathe.
It's a little freaking
I
cat.
want to knock out on you two, dude. That's embarrassing. Take the little bit of pride you have and tap.
And then you're versing me next.
Yeah.
I'm too tired to verse you.
Tap Jake. You done.
No!
It's over. It's done.